The crux of this project is to learn about how turtle populations survive and function, or if they do, in highly suburbanized landscapes that are dominated by humans. We're investigating whether or not this is a functional turtle population. One of the things we're not finding in this population are lots of small turtles. So we're not finding small turtles. And that's a problem, primarily because if you don't have new recruitment into a population, you can't have a functional population. Turtles live really, really long lives, and it's possible that the turtles we're seeing here this is essentially a retirement home for turtles.
We collect different measurements of the turtle, so we collect the carapace length, the plastron length, and then the depth of the turtle. We also collect the mass, what species it is, and then if it was a recapture, so if we found it before, and then we write down the ID number so that we can know which one we found before if we find it again.
The other part of this lake had a lot more turtles than this did so far. We're not done yet with this, so it might be a lot more than we've caught so far. But as of right now, we found more species and more turtles in general on the other side over there than we have here.
This is a Redeared Slider, and Redeared Sliders are they're a non-native species. They're found in the United States, just not in the Northeast. And it's a species that people usually get when they're teeny tiny, and then they grow and they outgrow their aquarium and they get really stinky, and then people try to figure out what to do with this turtle, and they think that the best thing to do is to drop it in a lake. And unfortunately, the problem with that, and now we have a fully functional Redeared Slider population, but the problem with that is that we think that they compete with the native turtles here, especially the eastern painted turtle.